Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am using my son EJ. I'm just going to show y'all the products that I'm currently using right now to define his curls. So I haven't done a lot of research on what companies have a baby or kids line. So I went for what I knew. I knew that Shea Moisture had a kids line. So if y'all know of any other companies that have a baby's kids line for hair products, please let me know down in the comments. So I am using the Coconut and Hibiscus Kids 2-in-1 Curl and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. Mainly because he's a baby, he's only 4 months old, and I mean he's doing good with the whole shampoo and applying products to his hair, but I am not for sure if he is going to sit there for any type of conditioner or anything else. So if I can get a 2-in-1 and then just a product to help define his curls afterwards, we're good to go. So I'm using the curling buttercream to put on his hair after I have shampooed and detangle his hair. I like the smell of the curling buttercream, but one thing that I noticed is that after his hair dries, it seems like his curls are really kind of hard. They're stiff. So I don't know if I'm really too sold on the whole buttercream with Shea Moisture, and that's okay. Everything doesn't work for everyone's hair, but like I said, if y'all know of any other companies that you really like to use on your baby or your kids, please let me know down in the comments. So I actually a couple days ago I posted a quick preview of this video, and everybody was just so surprised that he just sat in his chair and minded his own business. But I was super surprised too, because this was our first time actually washing his hair in the chair and detangling his hair. I usually do it as I'm giving him a bath, so this was something totally different. So I myself was nervous that he was just gonna cut up on me, but he did so well. He did extremely well. So hopefully in the future I'll be able to use him again and show y'all some other products that we're using. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.